2012 Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and a great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.